So let's talk about how to set up your command line interface. Um, in many cases, this is not too difficult for some of you. The concept behind the command line interface is that rather than clicking on buttons like in a graphical user interface to say close a window, you can just type in commands over here and hit enter, and that will achieve the same function and will in general do so more rapidly. One of the things that we kind of joke about is that the purpose of computer science is to avoid using the mouse, and that's what the command line will allow you to do. Essentially, part of the reason, the intuition for that is that, from an information transmission perspective, a standard keyboard has like 50 plus keys that you can hit. Achieving the same speed in a GUI is impossible, as you just can't get the same level of information input. At least when it comes to digital sorts of problems. The GUI is fine for analog problems like drawing or something like that. So expert computer users prefer command line and keyboard driven interfaces, and you are going to become an expert computer user, or if you aren't already. How are we going to do that? So how to set up a command line on your local computer. I'm going to talk about Mac OS X in this lecture, and then Windows in the next lecture. For Mac OS X, it's very simple. All you need to do is go to Applications, Utilities, and then Terminal. And that's really, really simple. Just double-click that, launch it, and you're good. When it loads up, you should see a window like this that pops up. You're going to go into the Preferences menu, and then you're just going to go through the Preferences screens over the next few pages and set up a few things that will be helpful. So that's how to set up and launch terminal.app in OS X.